Hey guys, Mireya here with another video, and this video I think it's the most embarrassing video that I have filmed on how I organized my closet. This video that I'm sharing with you is how I clean my closet without spending no money at all. Obviously, I would love to have the money to buy some organizers to put my shoes into and to buy a couple more things. Right now I can't afford that, so I'm just going to be sharing with you how I clean my closet, what products I use to clean my closet, and how I do it. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are interested in how I clean my closet, how I organize everything by color or by what clothes I use. What I also did for cleaning my closet is I put a couple boxes. One box was for donation stuff that I'm going to be donating to Goodwill or Army Salvation. The other box is going to be stuff that I'm going to be giving out to people I know, and the other third box is going to be stuff that it's going to be trash, which the last box could be stuff that I sell, but I don't want to keep anything, guys, because I feel like if I keep it and I wait for it to sell, sometimes I just forget about it. I forget to post it or to sell it. It's still there, and I just want to get rid of all that junk, guys. To me, it's junk, and to other people, it's treasure. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So if you'd like to see how I clean my closet organized, just keep on watching this video. guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my cluttery, nasty closet on how it was before. I am just so embarrassed, guys, so embarrassed to have showed you this video. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more cleaning videos for the rest of this month that I'm going to be sharing with you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.